What's up, babe? So when bleaching hair, it can turn out really orangey a lot of the time, and you'll get like these really nasty, unwanted colors in the wig. So to avoid all of that, you want to use a toner. You more than likely want to use a toner that comes with a developer. However, if you can't get access to those, you can use these nice toners that I found at Walmart by L'Oréal. The one I'm going to be using is the Colorista bleach, the Ombre. It comes with a nice ombre tool in there, which I think is really cool for anybody that is a beginner and does not know how to color, because then you don't have to worry about using the brush and learning the strokes of the brush. You can just comb that color straight through. It will give you the exact same streaks and will be really nice. The other good thing about these packs, they do come with gloves. You want to make sure you are reading the directions when doing this. It will tell you which step by step to do. So for this one, I don't know why I tried to tear that open knowing that I need scissors. So I'm going to insert the lightener into, this is the bleach, the powder bleach, into the developer. You want to mix that in first. That's what it tells you in the box. And then the next step would be to add the actual cream lightener into the actual bleach mixture as well. Now, when it comes to absolutely any of these colors or bleach toners that come in these aluminum things, you want to pierce the top of it. And you want to make sure you have a key, what is it called? Key card or key? I don't know. It's a key something, a color key. So you want to make sure you have a color key. You can get this from Sally's for like literally a couple dollars. I think it's less than like $5, and it's easier for you to squeeze all those contents of that stuff into those bottles. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually mix both of these because I do need both. But before I do that, I'm going to just apply the first one, and I'm just getting the comb out of there. This is what the comb looks like. So nice and neat bristles. And another good thing what you can do is when you are using this comb, you can literally just squeeze the stuff into the comb, and then it will go on there. But as you can see, these are a lot of unwanted tones that I want. Putting toner on here, like I said, will get rid of all the yellowiness, the oranginess, and make sure that it tones up to some really nice warm colors. Now when it comes to using developer and a regular toner, you have a bigger variety of the different tones, and you can pick the actual tone that you really need. But like I said, if you can't make it to those, or you don't know about those, you're not educated enough in those, you can absolutely use these kits. They do work, and I'm going to show you how much they work. So you want to mix this up, like not even funny, like for minutes. Like I was already mixing it up 5 minutes before I started recording this part, and I'm going to mix it up some more. So here, like I said, you can put it onto the brush. Let me stop talking like that. You put it onto the brush because I'm being silly right now. You put it onto the brush, and y'all, I forgot to freaking section off the hair. Like, please section off the hair. Like, you don't be silly like me. So section off the hair to nice. It doesn't have to be really small parts. You can use really chunky parts because this brush will comb through the hair. I feel that using sort of chunky parts will give you more leeway to having better streaks versus you using smaller sections. So you work however you want to work. That's perfectly fine. Depends on the exact results you are trying to achieve. Again, every wig won't come out the same. It won't be the same. So your wig probably won't look anything like mine's. I will do another video in the future of how I do bleach my wigs. I tried to record them, but my phone was heating up so bad. So, and then it was going dead at the same time. So, like, it wasn't working out for me with the bleaching part. But I did catch this part for you guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. So, you want to just literally just squeeze this on there, one piece at a time, and just comb this through. I'm not oversaturating the bottom because I only, like I said, I only want the bottom to be in streaks. It will tone up all of the hair as I need it to. However, I don't want this oversaturated on the bottom. I still want the bottom rather kind of dark-ish. And then I'm going to oversaturate the top once I get to the top. Now you can see right here of the how much of the product that I am putting on there. There's a big difference from the product that I put on the bottom. And I did take those streaks up a little bit higher, and as you can see the difference in the tones of the blonde, and it turned out very beautiful. I'm super satisfied with the color. I love it. Okay, babes, thank you for watching this video. Hunty, if you want to see how I did these curls, refer to the curl video, the big glam curls. Okay, the curl unit. I will always add more curls into that unit for different wigs. But babes, yes, that concludes this video, and love you guys. Have a wonderful day.